Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing out there today? Hopefully fantastical. BTA, what is up BTA? Long time no see. Flippo, Mr. Unlike Platypus, Savitar. Hello everybody. How are you all doing? Glad you get popped in for a little bit BTA. Hope life is treating you fantastically. Boom, there I am. Hello everybody. I noticed there's no desktop. There we go. Hello. Don't know what that was about. Patrick, how are you doing today, my friend? Jikaza Jade, hello. Your brother looks slick. Wait, looks sick or yeah? Answer the question. I sure can, Savitar. If it's super simple, depends on how simple is it. Let's open up some codes. So we're going to be working on today some more improvements to our water level. So at the moment we have it set up so that we can spawn enemies. So just for example here, I have it set up to spawn like 5 different enemies. Let's set it 50 guys are these rocket jump dudes. Now we can just we can press play and let's get going. That little dude in the background goes and shoot him, and then our rockets start coming out. And the next thing we want to do is set it up so that we can spawn in some boats into the levels. Ow. All these guys going forever, and I die. And here's another little error we have. When we die, we get our spawn position changes as the camera moves with them. So the camera should... Oh no, that's not the right thing. Where's our camera? Our camera should be up here, but when we respawn it gets all weirdly moved around. So we need to fix that up too. So to do this, we're going to need to make some changes to our code. When I make tiles at Unity 2D games, it gives a small gap between tiles. How to fix it? I searched around and still no answers found. Well, Savitar, you haven't searched too hard on my channel, because there's a video all about doing how to fix exactly that. Fixing gaps between tiles on the YouTube channel. Let me just... youtube.com/games+James. Wasn't you making important else makes me instantly motivated? Awesome, Patrick. That's exactly what I want to hear, my friend. So yeah, we've got some new outfits in Brawl Stars. So if you type ! Brawl Stars into chat, you can check out the link which will show you all the latest. You can see a lot more things here because you can see these unlisted videos, but here we go. Down here, this video here, Savitar, fixing gaps between tiles. That'll tell you exactly what you need to get the thing. Is that the link there, Flippo? There you go, Flippo. Nice one. Perfect. So yeah, that'll tell you how to fix it. So yeah, you can customize your Brawl Stars. So there's now some video game characters you can be. We got Patrick there, dressed up as Agent 47. And you can also get some Christmas outfits, since we're coming up to Christmas time. Games looking awesome, thank you. Thank you, Savitar. I'm glad you like it. think maybe if we lock horizontal, that should fix the weird camera issue when we respawn. Let me just try this out. Bindlestick with the epic subscribe. Bindle, thank you very much for that subscribe. Hey, why is my little something still saying Merciful Camel when it should say the extremely awesome Bindlestick? Bindle, Bindle, Bindle. How are you doing, my friend? Hopefully fantastic. Let me just say, if you great jobs, if you got them great jobs in chat, drop them in. Also, Steel Dev, hello Steel, how are you doing today? Bindlestick, I can't remember if you've been a sub already, my friend. I feel like you were, but in case you haven't, your name will be added to the list of epic supporters helping make this game a reality, and you'll be added in the credits of Portal Knots as a subscriber of awesomeness. And also, you will be added to the if you have Discord, so if you are on our Discord channel, there's a link to Discord, and you connect it with your Twitch. Twitch. It's called. What word am I looking for? Twitch account. There we go. You connect it with your Twitch account, you'll be automatically added to the super secret, sub only, nobody knows about it, secret chat of awesomeness on the Discord. Thanks once again, my friend. Oh, we also need to get some hype going. We need to launch some fireworks. Let's put some fireworks in the background here. Fireworks. Let's do some more of that. Look at all them fireworks go. Pew, 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 pew. Lucky number 7, what is up, dude? How are you doing today? Fantastically, I hope. Yeah, Steel, anyone can do fireworks. They cost you 250 points. Bindle, you haven't subbed before? Ah, I wasn't sure, my friend. I did, of course, recognize your name. I think maybe you've donated. And that's the thing. You can also whisper fireworks as well. If you whisper to Friendobot fireworks, then you'll set off some secret fireworks in the background. I haven't started sub before, but I start my job tomorrow. Oh, awesome. So I figured sub's the guy helping me make games. Sweet, Bindle. That's awesome to hear. What what is the job you're starting tomorrow, my friend? Do something fun. You're Mario now, Steel? Woo. So we got a new champ, of course. We got Bindlestick as our new champion. Mario versus Agent. What's the plan for today? Lucky Feathers, we're working on making some more goodness in this here level. So I just want to test out killing myself here. See if that fixes the weird camera issue now. No, it doesn't. Okay. I'm very intrigued as to why it doesn't. So, let me just die again here. I should really just put my health down to 0 and... So I am resetting my position over here. I'll take a look at the respawn stuff in a little bit. Oh, we got a rumble going. Quick, everybody. Type ! Rumble into chat. Get yourself involved. Start throwing some people around like a maniac. Oh wait, I'm already in the rumble. Ah, I forgot I get automatically added to the rumble now. And then I get automatically taken out if there's an even amount of people, because it's more interesting when there's an odd amount of people. Okay, so I want to add the system that will spawn our little boats in. So what I want to do is... this test boat here. Level pieces. Huh. No. Yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just saying no and yeah over and over again. Oh, it's time to rumble. Who's going to win this rumble this time? Do I get to be in it? Am I in it? Where am I? There I am, here in the corner. Oh, I'm in it. I'm getting slammed by Patrick. Uh-oh. Who's going to win? Oh, wait. I just realized I've been destroyed immediately. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, Bindlestick. Oh, no, Bindlestick. Oh, Bindlestick is down. Here's lucky number 11 getting slammed. Oh, we have a winner. It's Patrick. Patrick RMC has won the Rumble. Get wrecked, everybody. GG, Patrick. Retail job, but for now, just want to get a MacBook to port my Android game to iPhone. Ah, cool. Well, no, that's good, Bindle. Good to be having money coming in, you know what I mean? Okay, so we got this new folder. Let's call this Grasslands. Then Shoverboard. Actually, this should be one Grasslands Road. Put that test post in there, and then we can delete you. Delete these guys from the level. Take up space at the moment. Which one's this? Yeah, he doesn't do anything. Don't need you. Don't need you. Wave generator. I believe that was the thing that was just sending waves towards the player. Yeah, don't need you anymore. Test wave. Water spray. Don't need you. Bubbles, don't need you. Ridozer, get out of here. Okay. So we need a boat. Spawn. Point. Wait, what? Oh, I changed my outfit. You forgot, Patrick, did you? You still got the sweet elbow pads too. You haven't changed your elbow pads. It's funny. This is the first time I've seen the Brawler stuff, and it's awesome. Sweet, Chikaza. I'm glad you enjoy it. Somebody challenged me to a fight there. Type !fight Games Plus James, and we'll see who can win the battle. Who can win the battle against Christmas Snake? Steel it is. Okay, number 7 wants a battle too. Like, I can manage that. Who's gonna win? Video game battle. Oh, Steel wins. Steel wins. I need to get some. I need to get some wins under my belt for today. Let's go. Lucky number 11. Where are we? Fight time. The fight is on. Who's gonna win? That's the real question. Better be me. Oh, I'm getting a lot of punches there. I think I'm going down. I'm taking a lot of punches. Yep. I got wrecked. GG. GG. I think it looks really cool with the elbow pads. I think so too, Patrick. I'll be honest with you. I need to go to this definition. So we need to allow for public pool is boat, and then public game object the boat. And I should actually put this up here. So on this boat, I realized that we need to add Shoverboard boat script. Public float move back amount. Public float move back speed. So this is basically, as soon as it comes in, it moves backwards a little bit, and then let the player jump onto it and then do your little thing, and then.
Great job.
De Castro, thank you for that follow. Welcome to the stream, my friend. You are De Castro-tastic. It's good to have you here as always. And when I say as always, I mean as always for everybody. So many elements. All them elements. Yeah, you made it too, Yagi. Look at all those little dudes wandering around over there. Okay, so this little bit of code handles moving the boat up and down on the water. It's fine. Time to fight. Go for it, Yagi. Go for it. Who's going to win this epic battle of gloriousness? SJ Biker Chick, how are you doing today, my friend? I haven't seen you in a while. This is an early stream for you. It is a bit early. I'm busy this evening, so I figured why not just do a bit of an earlier stream instead. Move boat in from off screen. So if move back amount is greater than 0, then move back amount minus equals time dot delta time multiplied by move back speed, and then transform that position equals new vector tree. Or wait, no. Transform that position minus equals a new vector tree. Will be move back speed times time dot delta time. And then we don't want to change whatever's happening on the Y and Z axis. Galactic Raven, what is up? How are you doing today, my friend? Galactic-tastic, I hope. I'm good. I'm working at the moment and super bored. So glad to have you streaming. Awesome. Perfect timing then, Biker. Perfect timing. I kind of like this early stream feel. I might start doing more of these in general. We'll see. So we've got to move the boat in from off screen. I think logically this all makes sense. Let's just test it out. You done compiling? You are. This bad boy there. We want to move back about 10 and move back at 1 speed for the moment, see how that feels. Here we go, there's the boat coming in from the back. That's way too slow. Hello, Mr. Boat. Can we jump on top? Ah, Mr. Boat, what are you doing? The camera's supposed to follow you, Mr. Boat. What's going on here? On boat? I mean, this was working before. Followed recently, but I've been a YouTube sub for a while. Because you're a cool person, Galactic, that's why. Good to see you in motion. Excellent. Not a bot. What is up, Nada? How are you doing today? What's that? Oh. Replay, please. Don't be giving me errors. It's giving me errors. Very weird. I don't know why. Oh, because I lock horizontal. Oh, did I supposed? That's why my little fix for this didn't work earlier on. Okay, so our boat is working fine. Goes off the screen, and then once it goes off screen, it should be destroyed.
Now, what is your mission?
Boat. Trigger exit. We'll leave it there for the moment. You doing good, Nada? Sweet. Reanimations, this will be my first time seeing you on Twitch. I usually see you on YouTube, so I also subscribe to you. Awesome, Reina. Good to have you here. Being cool. That moment when you're trying to make a boss work for two people, actually give both people something to do. That sounds fun, Reaper. Like a multiplayer boss. Hey, Blindfold. What is up? How are you getting on, my friend? How is your world development going at the moment? Drug Sandwich, hello. Welcome back. We got a bunch of cool people here already today. So our little boat comes in from the side, then we can jump onto it, and we need to unlock the camera again. Turn you off. Our boat, it's still coming in too slow, I would say. Comes in to there. We go jump off the edge, onwards to fighting whatever's next. Okay. Now, there's one issue that I know is going to happen. So if I turn on the enemy spawner, so the enemies start spawning, so they'll start spawning right there, and they'll keep spawning in the same position forever and ever. So we need to fix that too. But we can... I'm pretty happy that the boat thing works okay, so now we can actually test out spawning in the boat. We'll see how that goes right now. So we got our enemy spawner. Let's pull this back to 5. And not a rocket dude, we're gonna make it a boat. Put the boat in there. We're gonna give it for 5 seconds. So we'll deal with this little dude first of all. Make sure we can all see it. Take that guy out. Okay, we dealt with him. Hey, what's going on here? You know what? I didn't actually tell this to like spawn a boat. Didn't actually do anything with that. I just said, hey, just do this thing magically. Just magically know what to do, please. I don't need to write any code, right? You'll just know exactly what to do without me telling you. Like that works, right? Good. How's you? Things are going good. Finally got back to streaming. Sweet, Blindfold. I haven't seen you on, but I will do my best to try and catch you. Enemy spawner. Here we go. So here, if waves 0 dot is boat Thanks, you're cool. You're cool, Reina, obviously, for being here and being awesome. The game I'm working on with 3 others, it's a co-op game where we want people to collaborate with each other to defeat a boss. Sweet! Sweet Reaper, that's fun. Fun stuff indeed. Wouldn't life be so much simpler if someone could just invent a computer that just magically knows what he wants it to do and does it for us? Game dev would be much quicker that way. It sure would. I don't know why Google isn't just spending all its time on that. Never mind like AI computers. We don't need AI. We need a computer that just like knows what you want. So if we boat, then we instantiate our boat, the boat, at. Did I create the transform point? I sure didn't, did I? Is this the right? Yeah. Public transform boat spawn point. So neural interface. Exactly, Yagi. Exactly. That's what we need. Chris Werner, what is up, Chris? How are you doing today? What soundtrack are we listening to now? Music of Command and Conquer. And good music, actually. You can show / read what I'm about here. Boop. Alpha, the unfinished creation. Cool. Special player, seen the boss in the abandoned factory. Sounds pretty interesting. I'll have a proper look at that later. Thanks, Reaper. Always interested in seeing like the ideas that people have. Telepathic intelligence, that's it. I'm off to invent it. Or to invent TI. Instead of AI. I like it. I like it. It'd be very useful. Chris, doing great. Just received some of the art from a game by the artist I heard. It's going to look awesome. Oh, sweet. That sounds awesome, Chris. I can't wait. Can't wait for you to see. For you to see? I can't wait to see what you're doing, my friend. There's a Brawl Stars command to see how many points you have. There is! Exclamation mark points. Not a bot. That's the name of the boss. It's supposed to be some sort of boss that hasn't really been completed fully. I get you, Reaper. I get you. There's so many ideas that I can't do, but I'm trying to learn. You'll get there, Galactic Raven. Honestly, like the only way to get there is just keep trying. And when you try something and get it wrong, that just means you're eliminating one of the wrong options, which means you're getting closer and closer to the right option. That's the way I look at it. Benbow, what is up, Benbow? Is the stream a bit earlier than normal, or is it because of daylight savings? It is earlier than normal because I'm busy this evening, so I thought I'd stream a little bit earlier today for a while. And it feels good. It kind of feel a bit more alive, you know what I mean? Because it's a bit earlier in the day. Okay, so we're instantiating the boat at the right place, and I think that should be okay. Compile for me, please. Early stream is nice stream. Sure is still. And you get more people using our cool new costumes. Dress yourselves up as like Santa. Someone needs to dress up as Santa. That's all I'm saying. Nobody's dressed up as Santa at the moment. How are we supposed to get in the Christmas spirit with no Santa? Shoot that little dude and then... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I never set the spawn point. There we go. Try this again. Made friend about a ref, I sure did. Or did. Okay, that spawns. And where's our boat? Where is our boat? Do, do, do. We got all these things. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Why are these guys being created forever and ever? Where are you at, my friend? What are you doing? Why are you going flying off this way somewhere? What the hell? Yeah, you're moving right, but you went off screen. Okay, so we're getting an error here. Lord Mind Bomb. Very weird. Very weird. It's weird, has a mind of his own, it sure does. Our turkey. That is just a states thing. Oh, we got a Zelda, I see. I like seeing that. Also, I said a Zelda, but I mean it's a Link, so so there's weird things going on here, and I don't really know why. So I'm actually going to down to 1. I'm gonna make it a boat. In. So I'm just gonna test this one out and see. Very weird. Wait a minute. Why would the rocket guy get... Because I'm not instantiating the right thing. What am I doing? Waves 0 dot the boat. That's what I'm supposed to instantiate. What a fool I am. I need to rename this variable. Should have realized. Hey, why is it? Why isn't that rewriting? Okay. This is what was going wrong there. But that dude, the reason he was going way off screen was because he was spawning in off screen already, so he didn't have that moment where he turned back. There we go. Now we have the boat working, so now we can continue on our little adventure. Okay, so next thing I need to do is make the enemy spawner follow along with us as we move, because those boats basically change how everything works, so we need to adapt to that. Spoopy. Are you a free... Flippo and Steel Boat and Bindlestick, everyone triggered by the Zelda. Bembo, if you pledge 750 or more on Patreon to get the Portal scripts and Project Files. No, Bembo, because that's not... I mean, I'm not putting that stuff out there, do you know what I mean? Like, this is a game that will be for sale on Steam eventually. I can't really put it out as an open source thing then. Flippo, I think it's fair. Link is not allowed to bring a sword even if it would break after a few brawls. Yeah. It'd be a bit harsh. It's already unfair he has a shield. I mean, it doesn't do anything for fighting, but... It's purely cosmetic. Okay, so let's make this enemy spawner follow the camera. So... Public... transform camera, private vector tree, last position, private vector tree, last cam position. Actually, we don't need last position. We just need last cam position. And private vector. Actually, these should just be floats because I'm not really caring about the Y and Z axis stuff. So private float, move and mount. Leave the game, you dummy. Okay, friendobot, I will do that because I do forget to do that a lot of the time. Makes other players do less damage. Don't tell anyone. But what if it did, though, Steel? What if it did? Maybe I was just being secret about it. Oh, we got another rumble. Who's gonna win this rumble? That's the real question. I was also thinking I should do something to make subs stand out in the brawlers as well. Maybe give them like a bit of a glow or something like that, kind of like a Dragon Ball kind of glow. Mario will always win. He just jump on someone's head. Okay, so we got our move amount, and then so move along X axis to follow camera. So at the end down here we'll say last cam position equals camera dot transform dot position dot x. So then move amount equals subs glow like they're golden, and golden god. Maybe we could have options. Subs can choose the color of their glow. I'm gonna write that down. Subs have a glow and choose their glow color. You can choose to turn it off as well then. I think that'd be fun. I was wondering, why doesn't player prefs have an option to save / load a bool value? I know you could do an inter string and convert it like that, but you know, because it's using the system's registry. Do you know what I mean? It's like saving directly to your computer, your computer's registry files. So that thing isn't built to handle bools any other way than like using int values as 0 and 1. That's all it does. Reaper, gotta find out how a wolf walks, run, and reacts to things, since my boss is going to be based on a wolf. Sweet! Reaper, that sounds like fun. Making like animal kind of style animations is fun in general. There's definitely like loads of resources on YouTube I would look for. The move amount equals I think it will be this way, won't it? So say if the camera is moving to the right, it's now at 10, it was at 8, so the movement is 2. So yeah, it is its current position minus the last position. This music is actually pretty good, this Command and Conquer music, I have to say. So I made like a playlist of like various video game soundtracks that I just kind of randomly go through now. And I was kind of iffy about whether to add this one or not, but it's actually a pretty good one. It's pretty motivational. Good. So we move, so that's what our movement is. So then we say transform dot position plus equals new vector tree move amount and then 0 0. think that should all make sense, so let's test that out. That's the camera. And that's the 2. We're gonna make a bunch of rocket dudes, make them spawn every second. I'm just gonna set that large amount. This out. We get our boat to come in, and these dudes start spawning. If I go run over here, now they should be spawning further on. There we go. Spawning exactly where they should be, and if I move back, they'll also be spawning. We won't really have them spawning while you're on the boat, because I don't want to actually have that happen. But, huh. The sprite flashing isn't applying to the boat, or to our little hoverboard thing. I think I need to fix that. I'm going to quickly fix that now before we go any further. Oops. Fix it in our test level. I'm pretty happy with what we're doing though at the moment, I have to say. Health manager. Sprite. There we go. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah. And he needs to have Sprite player. Sprite player, here we go. Perfect. Told you Mario will always win. Nice one, Steel. The motion of how those bullets move. I like how they flip. I think it looks fun. No point of it. Yeah, let's get back in here. Remember that Mega Man was actually once called Rockman. He's still called Rockman. That's just what he's called in Japanland. Raph. Hello again, Raph. I'm having a problem with my prototype of an array spawning 4 types of objects at random, and the timing of spawning is random as well. However, the array keeps spawning the objects on top of each other. How should I write code so that the array spawns only one object and spawns another object while only when there's no object touching the spawn points? What kind of game are you making, Raph? Because it'll depend on that. If you're making an endless runner, like if you're making a game that moves in one constant direction, it's very easy to fix. So, tell me that, my friend. I mean, it's not too hard to fix either way, but... Okay, so at the moment we've got all these little dudes appearing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a lot of them. Hey, what happens if I die now? Yeah, we respawn back over there, that's fine. And those little guys follow you as well, so that's also fine. Okay. The next thing I want to do on our enemy spawner is I want to have it so that those other little dudes won't spawn until after we get off the boat. So this is what should happen, right? We load in the boat into the level. Then the next thing that loads will be a rocket thing, but we won't count down to it actually appearing. And then we need to basically tell our enemy spawner that. So we need a function. Yeah, we should have a function. So public. Sorry, I'm missing some chat here. When the player is on the water, you should make the rockets randomly spawn lower or higher. So the player's got to jump or duck. Can you duck? You will be able to duck. It's not working at the moment. You can duck in general normally, just not on this level at the moment. But yes, they can already do that. Where are we? So here we've got, see, rocket jump height. I just have them all set to the same at the moment, but they'll be set to different variables. Lock of War. What is up, Lock? It sure has been, hasn't it? It's a 3D simulator game where you have to pick different food, like potato, lettuce, and so on, so they're spawning from a supply box, which is my spawn point. Okay, so Raf, basically what I do is if you're randomly picking the point where it spawns, basically you should have a variable that stores like a position where you can't spawn and then an area around that where the object can't spawn either. So then you'd have, so you have your, so say you've got an apple and an orange, right? So you spawn your apple and you say, okay, my apple spawned at position 1, 1. How wide is my apple? My apple is, say, has a radius of 3, right? So you have your apple here, spawned here, and you go, you basically draw a sphere around that with a radius of 3, and you say, okay, if any random spawns can appear within this, any random spawns are picked to be within this area, then they're not valid, so pick another point. So you just basically pick a point that isn't within this area, and maybe you add a bit of a safe zone further around the apple to allow for whatever new item you're spawning is. And you basically, every time you spawn an item, you pick, okay, you make your safe zone around it, then you spawn your orange over here, and you make a new safe zone around that, then you spawn another object around within the world, and that should, the idea, potentially work. That's how I'd approach it anyway. You dress my wrestler Sonic. You sure can, Locke. You sure can. I say go for it. Now you're just comparing apples with oranges. True that. Public Void. Continue spawning. So I also realized that we shouldn't really be making our waves remove. We should just update the point that we're spawning our object in. So we're going to add a new variable here. No, we can make this public. Public int current wave. So I actually don't need this then. So if waves.count is greater than 0, that's not what we're basing on. What we're basing on now is if current wave is less than waves.count. Yeah, that makes sense. If current wave is less than waves.count, then waves current wave Oh, I like that. I like that Sonic outfit. It looks so good. That's Sonic. Gotta go fast. Always gotta fast. Fast to the max. I like the purple arms from your skin color too. Looks good. Look good. So waves, current wave, dot time spawn. Waves, current wave, counted down. And then current wave spawn that dude, or current wave spawn this dude. I just realized I didn't finish actually typing this one in. Current wave. Current wave, that is both. And instead of doing this, say current wave plus plus. So that way we're counting through our waves. So then here we can say waves current wave dot oh no, dot don't count down equals false. Then when we get off a boat, we can call this function. So where is our little boat arena? Jump off boat. This guy. So we go to the player controller. No, go to definition, please. There we go. Over on the water, then we do that. Otherwise, find object of type enemy hoverboard. Enemy spawner, there we go. Dot continue spawning. There we go. Okay. Let's try this out. Gotta get that Sonic. We got a couple of Sonics in there now. Nice. The Sonic Bros. I close Shovel Knight. Sorry, Flippo. We've no Shovel Knight. Actually, I don't think I have that on my list of people. Okay. No, I'm gonna add that one as one to do at some point. Shovel Knight. Yogi, I tried to get Santa, but I can't see myself. Oh no! Did I tell you that I didn't spawn or anything? There you are. You're in your little blue pants running over in the middle there. You're not Santa. Oh no! Did you get a message back from Friendobot? Yogi? That's the real question. Ooh, let's test this out. So, our boat should spawn in. We've got no enemies appearing yet. We run and we jump up here. We deal with whatever enemies are on this boat. And we jump off the edge. And now, we got more enemies coming in. Boo-boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo. Perfect, just the way we want. And then if I die... Huh. Our respawns are definitely way messed up. Respawns need to be fixed in a big way. But I'm not going to do that until we get like everything else mechanically working. Because it's not that big of a problem, it's just a matter of doing it. You did not? Okay, Yagi, try doing it without the whisper. Just try type exclamation mark add close and then Santa. It should work. Because the Santa stuff is definitely in there. There you go, Yagi. Sometimes the whisper doesn't work for some reason. I don't really know why. But look at you, all Santa-tastic. Ho ho ho! I'm gonna fight you, Yagi. Battle of the Santa Hats. Oh no, Lock and Raff. Raph with the win. GG. Whispering doesn't work for you either, Locke? I don't know what's up with the whispering. That's so weird. Maybe I just need to get rid of the whisper thing altogether. It seems like it works for some people and it doesn't work for other people. I don't know if it's something to do with the new Twitch or not. Oh, we got the battle going. The battle of the Santa hats. Who's gonna win? Oh, it looks pretty even. Oh, I think I'm getting some good punches in there. I think this is going my way. Yes. Victory to Santa Snake. Defeat to real Santa. Java, how is it going? Wait. That was just a message I got. Haha. I hate the friend thing sometimes in Twitch. Lock. Never has, so I just go without. That's fair enough. It's so weird. It's a weird thing, the whispering system sometimes. Okay, so the enemy spawn system is working. That's perfect. Boat thing. Boat thing is working too. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how the boat thing is working now. Let's try it out again. So our boat comes in, we run over here. Ooh, I'm on my boat. Look at my boaty goodness. We go off over here. I actually think the boat spawn point might be a bit too low. Deal with these things. These things, I'm trying to work out whether I should make these shootable or not. Or maybe they take a couple of shots to die. Maybe they should take like 2 shots to die. What do you think? Oh, why is this? Huh. Something. Bam, bam, bam. Health. Self into there, yeah. Okay.
Let's get back to equal justice.
Repeat.
Let's get back to equal justice.
Repeat.
Let's get back to equal justice. Increase fear and suspicion.
Repeat.
Health. We'll give him 3 health.
Suspicion.
But they're not that easy to deal with, but like at least you can do something. He didn't flash, so that's not ideal.
Is about combat.
Just grab you. So I can just shoot this guy now. Whenever these other things stop spawning. Oh, I stopped playing it. Oops. Need a new HDMI cable, Yagi. HDMI cables are the worst sometimes. Speed, let's put you 0 for the moment. Does the boat bob in the water too? Sure does, SJ. You can see it there bobbing behind my head, up and down. Okay, he's not taking damage. Maybe because he's not tagged as an enemy. There we go. Okay, he's exploding. But then why is he not flashing? Oh, because he doesn't have the right material attached to him. It's so annoying the way you can't just set it up to by default be that. Wish you could do things like that in Unity. So he should be shootable now. Not doing very well at hitting them though. There we go. I actually think those should be like 2 at the speed they move. They should only take like 2 hits to explode, because you're still gonna have to deal with them coming in pretty quickly. Why didn't that speed get changed back? Oh, what did I change here? That sound. Wrong one. Ow. All these other guys should also flash when they're supposed to. See, that one got through. And they'll probably like spawn in waves of like 2 to 3 at a time, rather than just being like 1 at a time like this. So you could just, if you wanted to, you could just jump over all these guys or just like kind of hang out here down the bottom. Boo boo boo. Oh. Is there a rumble going on? Or is the rumble not ready yet? If there's rumble not happening, there should be like a message saying, hey, rumble not working right now. Huh. I'm getting repeatedly killed. Where is... Because he's down there. Why am I... Isn't a player. Everybody's typing rumble in, but nothing's happening. Speaking of rumbles though, I should watch this week's SmackDown. You sure should, Locke. Sure should. It's a good one. It's got a pretty good end. That's all I'll say. Now the rumble is ready to go. There should have been a message popping up that says, hey, rumble isn't active at the moment. So why am I falling through the ground here? That's the real question. Tile map. Huh. There needs to move up a little bit. When you say object not... Okay, that's fine. I don't care about that. I'm gonna have to look into that in a bit. You've seen the spoilers, so I know how it ends. Oh, fair enough. Locke. It's pretty cool. Who's gonna win this rumble? That's the real question. Flippo. Will you join the LD40? At the moment, yes, that's the plan, Flippo. I'm hoping to be doing their 40, streaming it all as always. We'll see how it goes though. It's rumble time. Oh, I'm getting thrown around like a maniac. Get my revenge. And Bindlestick. I'll just hang out in the corner over here. Hopefully nobody will come get me. We got a new champ. It's Internet Monster with them bits. Dropping them bits. Internet Monster. Thank you, my friend. Let's get some celebrates going. Boo, look at these fireworks explode. Who's gonna win this wonderful rumble? That's the real question. I notice I've been destroyed. Oh. Steel Dev wins. Steel Dev with the win. But Internet Monster. Let's get some hype for Internet Monster, everybody. The true king of cool. Exclamation mark hype in chat. Get that hype going and get some great jobs for Internet Monster with them 500 bits of goodness. Thank you, my friend. I think really you just wanted to sneak back in as champion. True star of madness. That's what you are, my friend. Have you submitted any themes? No, I haven't, Flippo. Legends of Domo. What are the clothes you can change your character into? Yeah, I think we just saw. Yeah, Steel Dev replied to you. Exclamation mark Brawl Stars. You can see all the characters in there. GG Mario. Internet Monster, how is your day going, my friend? Hopefully fantastic. And full of deliciousness and wonderfulness. Okay, so I still don't know why that respawn bug is happening. Maybe I should deal with that now. So we get all this stuff going on. What I actually want to test is change it so that this thing is a boater dude. We wait 5 seconds for the next one. This one here will be a boat. This one shouldn't count down until after we get off it. Test is out. I want to test this little system. Doom guy from Doom. By him. So we deal with some of these little rocket dudes. Whoop. And then our little boat comes in. Okay, let's get on this boat. We're back in the water. Shoot some more of these guys. Eventually we'll keep going and we'll get to the boss and we'll fight the boss and save the world. What methods of payment can I use with Patreon? I believe you can use a credit card or your PayPal are the main styles. Doom guy. Doom-tastic. We need to get some more fireworks going. Really extremely awesome Internet Monster. Where is Internet? Running around there with his little championship belt on. I do like the fireworks thing. It's fun watching like them explode in the background. Okay. So just... Oop, didn't get killed there. So we got killed before the boat. Yeah, we respawn to here. Again, it's still kind of wonky. We don't want to do that. Try lock vertical. Let's try this. Jet lag needs sleep. Jet lag is never a good thing. But watching some fireworks is, right? Guess that doesn't work either. Look at him go. Oh god. Okay. So when we get killed, the animator's being reset.
Great job.
Legends of Domo, thank you for that follow. Welcome to the stream, my friend. Good to have you here, rocking it out to the max with us. So I'm hoping by like, so the things we're solving with the camera and stuff here is stuff that will be useful for other levels as well. Do, 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 do. Oh, SJ, you want to battle? Boom! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? That's the real question. I'm getting some hits on me. Could go either way. Oh, I won. Mario with a Santa hat. I like it still. I like it. So public pool. Reset position. Any reference in the game manager here? No. Is water level, let's call it. Reset our position. So if not is water level, then we'll do the normal kind of reset thing. Otherwise, we'll not. So this should fix the camera thing. Christmas tree costume, we sure do. Christmas tree costume is a pretty good one. I like it.
I can't control it. It's not good. It doesn't look good. Losing control. I can't control it.
You know what? I'm actually gonna put the Christmas tree costume on. Because I think it's a fun one. Where am I? There I am. I'm a Christmas tree and I got presents for feet. Grinch costume, yeah, someone suggested that. Well, I know who suggested it, but I hadn't. I have that on my list of. I might add as another Christmas costume. I was supposed to let those guys kill me. I just realized. Oh, Christmas tree, over you. I'll have a victory. Oh, I missed them. Hurt me more. If I die, there respawns. Okay, back underwater. That's perfectly fine. I'm happy with that. He's walking on the water. There was.
Perhaps you need another shot.
This music is so intense. Great. Oh, SJ. What's going on? Why aren't they working for you? Maybe you don't have enough points? You need 500 points to get those outfits.
Losing control. I can't control it. It's not good. It doesn't look good.
Yeah, type exclamation mark points. 304 points. There you go. I've given you another 200, so you can add it now. There should be a thing to tell you when you don't have enough points, and that if that's not there, then that's fine. Why did this end 3 times? That's a good question, Steel. I don't know why that keeps happening. It's a weird thing that keeps happening, and I don't know why it keeps happening. I need to fix that. Send message when not enough points. Send message when not enough points to buy clothes. So I gave you the 200 SJ because you're not exactly a new person. You've been around for a while. You can add all the Lara costume goodness you want. Okay. Points. Wait, this is what I want to do. I want to move on to the next area. See how the camera acts when I go over to the other side of the boat. So we move to the other side of the boat. Doodly doodly doo. I'll take some damage. Die. Spawn over here. Okay, so the respawn thing is actually working for us then again too. That's good. Now we just need to change how we respawn in the water level. So do this. Go on our player. These respawn stuff is all done on the game manager, but I just want to make sure. Oh wait, why didn't that work? Oh no. Oh, because I didn't actually type in the name. I was doing that thing again where I just hoped it would magically know what I wanted it to do. There we go. I did it again that time. And now it should be working. Now it should have worked. Is there a give? There is a give points command. There you go, SJ. Oh, apparently I gave. Apparently that gave you 600 points instead of 200. Oh well. I don't know why I got. I don't know either, SJ. Oh well. Just roll with it. Points system is doing everything 3 times. There is a thing still, I just can't remember what it is. I think it might be give points. Ooh, tasty pizza with them 20 bits of goodness. Thank you, tasty pizza. Nom nom nom, delicious. There you go, biker. Got the Lara outfit now. Lara-tastic. Okay, so our respawning. Yep, so it definitely is in the game manager. Pause and pause, respawn, respawn, respawn. There we go. So we're going to do a special thing down here. special case when in hoverboard level. So if player, see something that's player controller, yeah. Player dot is water, nope. Is water level. Lara looks a bit sick. No, she's purple. Purple-tastic. Unless you mean sick. So we're on the water level. First of all, the player dot transform dot position equals the camera dot transform dot position minus new vector tree. Let's say 10 0 0. Nope, that's not right. New vector tree. The camera dot transform dot position dot x minus 10, and then play. Nope. The player dot transform dot position dot y, and the player dot transform dot position dot z. Looks like Lara can't breathe. She's turning purple. 5 o'clock, time to go home. Nice, SJ. You'll be on much longer? Probably not too crazy much longer, Biker. Another half an hour or so. So if I'm not here when you get home, thanks for stopping by, my friend. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being super duper cool. Flippo, I can't seem to wrap my head around 3D rotation. Oh no, Flippo. Oh no. Rotations are always the worst, honestly. They are harder to grasp in 3D. You need to understand quaternions. Player transform position, and then also the player dot anim dot set. Ooh. Ugh. Covering. Here we go. That's what we want. Yeah. Okay, let's test this out. When you playing submissions, Yagi? That'll be tomorrow, my friend. Retrocade, hello. What is up? A SmackDown highlights watch. Nice one, Locke. I this channel a very long time ago, and after Portland's ended development and the tutorial started, I left. Just check back today and saw you're starting something to do with something Portland's again. Sure am, Retro. We've been doing it for a little while. For a good few months now. Glad you stopped by again, my friend, though. Let's test out this respawn system. I want to see if we'll stop walking on water now. I mean, some things you just gotta do, like, but there we go. Okay, so we respawn back. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. There, respawns in a good position too. See, will the same thing happen on the other side of the boat here? Boom, boom, boom. Locke, as for that being the worst match AJ's ever wrestled, maybe on TV, but I saw WWE Live there last Thursday, and AJ and Jinder had a match there, and it was pretty bad. Jinder was so bad in that match. was even worse. But the match on SmackDown was pretty bad because Jinder is not really got the skills to pay the bills, you know. If I can get my tires changed on time and won't miss it. Yes, indeed, Yagi. Hopefully. FC games by friend knows. Me too. It's gonna be fun. If there's anyone out there who wants to have their game played and they haven't shared their game on stream before and they want to get some feedback on their games and how they're progressing and everything, if you follow that link there, you can add your game to the list to be played tomorrow on the stream. So this was a match after practice. Yep, exactly, Locke. Steel, you haven't been working on your game in a few days, taking a small break. It's good to take breaks. We've talked about that before, my friend. Good to take them breaks. Java! What is up, Java? How are you doing, my friend? Some of these duders out. Get out of here, you. Whoop. You can kind of take them out when they're coming up. I might actually need to give them like 3 hits. Oh, jeez. Not doing so well. Not doing so well. Actually supposed to test if I die. If I die, respawn back there and we can continue on playing the game. But so, what we should actually do is when you respawn, get rid of all the enemies on the screen and then go back in our spawn array to a certain point. Oh, I need to look at this thing from Java. Like, God damn it! Why would you not open on the window I have open for specifically these kind of things? Oh, that's cool, Java. Nice, nice work. Make it bigger. Now it's gonna go a bit blurry, but the only thing I'd say is like the bottom of these, of the eye patch here, like you can see the shadow is like the exact same pattern as the eye patch. That looks a bit weird. So it looks like it kind of looks like it's almost just layered on. So if you made them a little bit different, so like this big long line here, make it stop at least like halfway, and like going down along here, all these like 2 pixel shadows, make them like 1 pixel. I think it would look a lot better, but overall it looks really cool. Nice work, Java, as always, my friend. Pretty darn good. Is that for Crass's pixel art saloon thing? Breaks from game making. Yes, I'm one of those. It started when I wanted to start making game. It hasn't yet ended, so really luck. No, it's in your basket. Want to make some kind of RPG recently, but I'm young and fairly inexperienced, so I should probably practice for a year or 2. Yeah, practice, Retro. Like, the only way to get better is practice. That's all. Her hat makes her head look a bit like it was smooshed in. Maybe move the hat a bit to the left. Yagi, you know your way around some arts, so I will defer to your judgments. Sure. Okay, so gosh.
Great job.
Retrocade. Thank you for that follow, my friend. You are super awesome. I'm just trying to think of these little enemy dudes. When they do I have a script for destroy on player respawn? No. I'm gonna have to give some thought to how these guys are going to work, but okay, I want to do the thing of going back a few. So public void restart wave at Yogi Arts. Gonna do some stuff with things. Sweet. Thanks for stopping by, my friend. Thanks for being cool, and thanks for being awesome, as always. So what I'm gonna have is an array of ints, or a list of ints even. Public list int wave thresholds, we'll call it. There's a new list of ints. Good luck with the stuff of the things. It'll work now, but he rotates in bursts. I'm afraid is the animation. Oh, Flippo, that could be your problem. And then we're gonna have a private int current fresh. So when we increment our wave, what we'll do is check if, what do we just call that list? Wave thresholds, current threshold, equals our current wave, then wave threshold. So basically what happens is, so say we have, this will be different points in the wave list, so it'll be like 5, 10, 15. So once we get to 5, or we start at 0. No, once we get to 5, then we'll go, okay, our current threshold. Looking ahead, basically. Okay, yeah. So, not wave thresholds, so that should be current threshold. Plus, and then when we restart wave at, then we go to wave thresholds, current threshold -1. Wait, no, that's wrong. Current wave should be equal to wave thresholds, current threshold -1. I think that makes sense. Grunty, yes indeed. Indeedy. But won't be on for too much longer, my friendo. We started a bit early today, because I've got places to be this evening. Zydabs, hello Zydabs, how are you doing? Zydabtastic, I hope. Zydabtastic. So we reset our current wave, and then we set waves current wave dot we're going to set time to spawn equal to 5, so we have like a couple of seconds before we jump straight back into the waves. But I just realized that we're counting down our time to spawn when really we should be counting down our... We should have a counter for this. Rumble, rumble, rumble time. Your tree coming to get involved in this rumble. I'm gonna win this. Yes, the victory is mine. Games plus James wins. Oh. Yeah, you need to rotate towards Flippo. That's the problem that's going on there. You got your animations, but it needs to have a transition. Like, is the animation setting the rotation point? Because then it needs to blend between them. You know. I don't understand that you're not the one in charge of animations, but is coding hard or just time consuming? Both retro, depending on what you're trying to do. Oh no, Pamela, I'm sorry, you're too late for the rumble. Yeah, I need to fix this time counter thing. There, and then what we're doing here is just adding counter to this, and that should work for us. Okay, let's test this out. Oh no, what happened to the stream? Hello? Can anyone see me now? Didn't want to lose a rumble. Is it working for anyone? You're back now? I'm back now, am I? I don't really know what happened there. Was it I had full connection the whole time? I just stopped and restarted it. I don't really know what happened there. Very weird. Very, very weird and strange. But in the meantime, I'm very certain I fixed the system up. So I just want to check this out. So I'm just going to put this at 3. There we got a threshold of 5, 10, 15. So we get part there. We are now at wave 6. If I just set the player's health to current health 1. I just go on the other side of this, and if I get hit once, we should go back to but these guys spawn. Hey, okay, so that didn't work. I'll just okay again. The current threshold is 0. My current threshold now is 1. I know you can't see that because it's right behind my head. I'm letting y'all know what's happening. So I'm just gonna put my health down to 0 or to 1 again. Manager, current health 1. Okay, if I take a bit of damage now, we respawn. Oh, I wonder if it's because there's enough time. Wait, I never actually called that function, did I? Yeah, I never called this function. So when our player controller, no, game manager. So we'll say the start of this whole thing. No, what we can do. This is static, isn't it? Think of a static rule for is respawning. Resetting. Yeah, so we can use that. Go in the loop if game manager dot is resetting. Hey, resetting. Game manager dot is resetting. Restart wave at. Okay, let's try this out again. Hopefully this should work. Ah, what am I doing? Take some damage. Oops. Doing good at taking this damage. Still didn't do so good at taking that damage. There. Back down to 1 health. I should really add like a key to instantly put me to 1 health for testing various things, but anyway. So our current wave is 6. Current threshold is 1, that makes sense. So if I go ahead to here, and we take some damage. Current wave got to 10 there, you see. So that guy spawns, then we wait a certain amount of time. Okay, I think it is working. It's just we're getting too close to those thresholds. The thresholds aren't really far enough apart, which they will be further apart in the actual game. But yeah, for now, I'm going to wrap up the stream, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out and being awesome and being cool with us today. I'm going to see if we can host somebody cool out there. I will be back tomorrow playing your games live on stream. and rocking it out to the max, to the maximum possible. Who is live right now that we can host? We can drop a host to Drunk Devs, the extremely awesome Drunk Devs, who, where is he? Working away on his game, making it cool, making it awesome. So yeah, we're gonna host Drunk Devs. And again, thank you all for hanging out and being cool and being awesome and being amazing. You're fantastic. And we'll be back tomorrow with more gaming goodness and fantastical wonderfulness. Thanks for hanging out. See you then.